We're going to look now at how to find the y-intercept of a function, specifically a quadratic function written in vertex form. We're looking at y equals x minus 2 quantity squared plus 3. This function is in vertex form, and we see in the positions h and k we have the values 2 and 3. Remember that the h value corresponds with the x value of the vertex, while the k value corresponds with the y value of the vertex. From this we can see that the vertex is located at x equals 2, y equals 3. Alright, let's take a look at the graph. We need to take care to copy the function exactly. This means that we need to write x minus 2 in parentheses. Start by opening parentheses, then type x minus 2, close parentheses, caret 2. Finally, type plus 3. Then hit graph. From the graph, we can see that we have a parabola which opens upward that has no solutions. Like all functions, however, it does have one y-intercept. Let's go ahead and locate that y-intercept. There are several ways we can do this. Start by hitting trace on your calculator. The trace button anchors the cursor to x equals 0, y equals 7. Well, this is our y-intercept. Remember that at the y-intercept, our x value is always equal to 0. Our corresponding y value in this case is 7. There's a few additional ways that we can find the y-intercept of any function. Let's look at a couple of those. Hit second graph to open the table of values. From here, you can use your cursor to scroll down to the input x equals 0 and look at its corresponding y value. In this case, we know that will be 7. If we go back to the graph, we can do this another way. We can hit second trace and calculate that value exactly. Choosing option number 1, enter x equals 0, hit enter. The calculator will find the output that corresponds with the input we typed in. Since we put in an input of 0, our output will be 7. These are a few ways that we can find the y-intercept of a function. Of course, all of this depends on us remembering that the y-intercept is located at the input or the x value of 0. That truly is the key concept that we need to remember.